Welcome to this YouTube channel about cryptocurrency education. Before we start, make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, especially Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polkadot, and some of the other coins as well. This is still a new channel, but we're going to develop much more content, try to publish videos every day, and give you regular market updates as well. Now this here is the first video of this sort where we're actually looking at some of the graphs and what's actually happening in the market today. As you can see, in the last 7 days it's pretty much everything red. Also today most of them are dropping and everything's in the red here except the stable coins, and that obviously has to do with some of the news from the Fed that came out a few days ago that also led to the gold and silver prices drop. And also, before we go any further, what I'm telling you here today is purely my own opinion. This is not any investment advice. I'm not pushing you to buy anything or anything, purely for, you could call it, entertainment purposes. This is really just to share my own view. I've really been in crypto for a while now, and I'm really into the whole technology. I believe this is the next big megatrend. We're actually in it, as you probably all know. But obviously I also want to make some good gains on my crypto investments. I know that many people are concerned because Bitcoin just doesn't seem to find its way up again after we had that massive price increase after the massive drop last year in March. I just want to talk to you about what is happening at the moment. So we can see the last 3 months it's actually going down. But if we compare it to the last 12 months, you can actually see that we are all good. You know, this is not the best. This is not the best graph here, the best y-axis categories, but you can see we are still much higher than where we were, for example, in December 2020. So we are all good. We are all good, guys. What I want to tell you is don't panic. This is really the message of this video. I know many of you hoped that we would now get above the important resistance levels of, for example, 42,000. You can see that Bitcoin a lot of the times just didn't get past these 42,000, and this is where a lot of people saying that a major resistance is around the 42,000. If the 42,000 are broken, then there should be some serious upside coming. There are current theories, and that is why I'm not panicking. There are current theories that Bitcoin might actually go down to 27,000. And I'm really watching a lot of other YouTube channels. I'm reading a lot about Bitcoin as well. And I've heard it a lot of times. There is this scenario, I would call it a short-term bearish scenario, where Bitcoin will possibly hit 27,000 US dollars, and I'm not panicking about that because I know it might come, and the probability is actually not that low. Obviously, as in every when you're reading the charts, there are always different scenarios, and the scenario that Bitcoin will actually go down is actually not that unlikely. And that is only in the short term. And from that bottom that will form then, the 27,000, from there onwards, it should go up. Obviously, there's no guarantee. It could also go below 27,000, but that is one of the most likely scenarios that I have read about and that other people are talking about. A lot of chart analysts, you know, I'm following a lot of these guys. And I'm not following these guys that push you to buy stuff from Bybit, for example. I'm following the investment management companies that really sold something here on Amazon merch. No, so guys, 27,000, I believe this is going to come, and I'm not panicking about it. I will hold all my coins. I'm holding my Bitcoin, I'm holding my Cardano, because I believe in these. And I want to tell you, if you don't understand what you're investing in, or if you don't genuinely believe in it, personally, I wouldn't invest in it. If you're just in it for the short term, it is difficult. That is why I personally, that's my strategy. I only invest in the long term. I want to accumulate this asset. I believe in it long term. It's a long-term strategy that I follow. I want to keep and hold my Bitcoin at least for a year. And I'm not only investing in Bitcoin, I'm investing in Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot as well. This is what I'm talking about on this channel. And yeah, what will happen if it goes down to 27,000? I will buy more. I'm not currently buying anything because I don't really know in which direction it will go into. But I believe we will go down to 27,000. To be honest, and I know many of you won't like that, I'm actually hoping for that so I can get some cheaper prices. And to be honest, a lot of you guys should be hoping for that as well, because if you're interested in crypto, that will give you the chance to buy cheaper. Now, is it worth selling now and then buying back cheaper later? I wouldn't do it. I wouldn't do it because it can go either way. There are different scenarios, and as far as I've heard, the 27,000 scenario is quite likely for Bitcoin. But the problem is if you sell now and then it goes up, you're sort of screwed. And I want to keep holding my Bitcoin. I'm a hodler. I want to hold them because I believe in this project long term. And the same situation for Cardano, Polkadot, and Ethereum. I hold on to them. If the price goes down further to 27,000, I'm going to buy more. This is when all the news out there, they will be so negative. Everybody will talk about the massive Bitcoin crash. Bitcoin is going down, which is exactly when I'm going to buy, because that is when it's going to go up again. That is when it's going to go up again. When everybody is negative in the market and in the news, that's when you want to buy. That is for and I'm that kind of person, the anti-cyclical investor. That's when I want to buy. I don't want to buy when everybody's buying. I just want to buy when everybody's selling. And that's how you build wealth. That's what I believe. So for me, if you currently hold Bitcoin and you're in the red, hold on to it. That's just my view. That's what I'm doing. If you want to buy more Bitcoin, just wait until it drops further. If you should you sell now and buy it cheaper later? I wouldn't do it because it can also go up now and then you've lost all your Bitcoin and have to buy back higher. So all I'm doing is holding. And if you currently don't have any cash to buy back cheaper later, then still just hold on to your Bitcoin because eventually it will go up again. So that is just my view, and no reason to panic. Yeah, of course, it will go down. It's going down at the moment. Everything's going down at the moment. Shares are going down. Gold is going down. Everything's going down, and it's not a problem because this is just what happens. This is a risk. We all know it's a risky market, guys, and this video is really just to give you some reassurance, some peace of mind. From my point of view, no reason to panic. I'm actually hoping that we go down to this 27,000 because in my view, this is when this new baseline will form. And from there on, we will see the new heights. I believe from now on, where it's just toppling sideways, I think not much is going to happen. So something must happen. Either we go up or we go down. Either way is fine for me because if we go down, I know at this level here, where so many scenarios are telling us it will go down after, it will go up and shoot up to maybe even the 60,000 again afterwards. You know, this is what I'm actually hoping for. And this is what this video was about. So hopefully that gave you some peace of mind. Just my personal view, guys. I'm gonna wait. If it goes through the 42,000. I know that we will probably go to new heights as well. So that is when I will buy. That's one of my scenarios. The other scenario is it's hitting 27,000. Everybody's selling Bitcoin. Everybody's frustrated. And at that point, I'm going to buy. All right. So hopefully that video was useful. If you liked it, then please smash the like button and start to subscribe to this channel if you want more content of this kind. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.